Experience seamless power. Most AI video is a 4-second trap. You get a beautiful shot, then another, but you never get a single, continuous story. Just clips. But what if your shot never had to end? What if you could just keep going? This isn't a stunt. It's not a dozen different takes stitched together in post. This is one continuous idea, created from a simple prompt using the Extend feature in EdgeCut AI. It lets you break the clip limit, seamlessly continuing any scene to build a world, tell a narrative without a single hard cut. Ready for a bigger story? Create your own long takes with EdgeCut AI. The link is in the description. My cardio, on the other hand, still has a 4-second limit.